This is the solution to white to checkmate in two moves by Lazdins from Riga, Latvia, mid-1930s. Well, in the Solve It, I did suggest that this is cooked by one move, and I'll show you what that is in a moment. So what is the key move here? Well, the key move is this, and what we'll do is we'll take moves from left to right. Supposing he takes the rook, how do we deal with that? Let's take a look at that for a moment. Well, we take here, and as you probably noticed, there are pins galore in this problem. He can't take here because his bishop is pinned. You have to take with the bishop, not the queen. If you take him with the queen, this pawn would have been unprotected, so you have to be a wee bit careful there. That's checkmate. Equally, if he moves that knight anywhere else, he's no longer covering here. So you could take with the queen then, because the rook is still alive. What about if he plays here? How do you deal with that? What do you do in that situation? How do you get him? Well, you get him like that. Isn't that amazing? His queen looks all bruised all over the place, but he can't because he can't take. The queen's pinned, the bishop's pinned, and now, of course, this pawn is covered by the rook, so there's no problem there. What about, though, if he takes the pawn? How do we deal with that? Well, if he takes the pawn, he's relinquished his grip on... Let's just take a look for a moment. Right, you do it that way, and that is checkmate. No problem there. What about if he comes like this, stopping queen e5? What do you do then? Well, then you can go in there because he's blocked the bishop. That's what's so nice about that. What about if he moves the bishop anywhere down here, not to d5? What do you do then? How do you get him? Well, again, it's like that, isn't it? It's mate. But if he moves the bishop to here, you do that. And if you notice, if you'd played your rook to e3, you couldn't do that because he wouldn't be in check, would he? See what I mean? But with playing the rook to d2, there is no problem. And again, if he plays here, you're always in with this one because his queen is pinned, his bishop is pinned. In that position, after you played rook d2, there was no way out. Play around with it as much as you want. A fantastic way to finish the series. I hope you enjoyed it.